how to delete story on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete story on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete story on Snapchat, go ahead and then open the Snapchat application here. And then let's say you've added something to your story by tapping the Bitmoji avatar, going to the option called add to my story, and then just selecting a story and adding them to your story. Now that you figure out that you would like to delete the story, well, to do that you just have to open that individual story. So if there are many stories, just select the individual story here, and let's say you would like to delete this one. Tap the three dots option from the top right in this case, and then tap the delete button, and then just tap on delete this snap, and this story will get successfully deleted. And you can repeat the process for any of the other story you might want to delete as well. And this way you can delete story on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.